Hello, I'm Coach Joe. My goal is to design low-cost robots. We will be ordering components from various manufacturers and from various distributors. Uh, there is a availability and price fluctuation, constant fluctuation, and you may need to shop around for other sources or if you can find better prices on the components. The tools that are required to build the robots are fairly small and straightforward. I recommend having a cutting board. This one right here is 18 by 24 by about quarter-inch thick polycarbonate. It costs about $20 at the hardware store. We need safety glasses or safety goggles, gloves, a hot melt glue gun with high and low temperature heat settings, ruler and a square, a utility knife, screwdrivers, Phillips and flat, small, very small ones, a wire cutter and a long nose plier, of course the pencil, and then if you want to decorate your robot, acrylic paint and brushes are available in arts and crafts departments. These cost around $2 a tube. Thank you.